Want a custom app fast but worried about huge upfront costs? There's a smarter way: build to own. At Flexiana, we've built concrete frameworks for different industries, so we can integrate ready-made building blocks and customize them for your exact needs. That's how you get working apps and product systems much faster. With Build to Own, you only pay for integration work as we adapt the framework to your brand. If you stop early, there's a one-time $16,000 fee to secure ownership. But if you stay until day 90, you can walk away free or continue to full ownership. You stay in control every step of the way. At exit, you receive full code repository access, docs, and container snapshots, so it's truly yours. One of our build-to-own frameworks is Kaleidux. It's designed for private label brands and custom manufacturers in fashion, food, cosmetics, luxury, and more. Here's how it works. First, we gather data about your customers, their purchases, and behaviors. Then we add manufacturing processes, vendor options, and what can be produced. Next, customers are grouped into precise micro-segments. Kaleidux then generates new products you can actually build. Products that feel custom-made, but are really produced in efficient small batches. You save money in manufacturing, improve your margins, and customers pay less than they would for a fully custom product. It's a win-win for you and for them. Ready to build to own? Visit Flexiana.com to get started.